What's up, guys? Will H back with another video, taking a look at the DJI mic wireless microphone system. Now you can pick this up on Amazon.com. The price is a little expensive. It's $329. I'll definitely drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Here's the device. It's going to be compact and small. You see it there, side of the box, DJI. Some of the use case scenarios here, you see them demonstrating using with various devices there. And then here are some of the specs on the back of it. Let's get that to focus. So you're going to get 250 meters transmission range, dual channel recording, up to 14 hours of onboard memory. You get portable. This is portable and compact, wide compatibility. So this is going to use the USB-C, Lightning, and the 3.5 millimeter TRS as well. And then you're going to get up to 15 hours of battery life. You're going to get about 5.5 hours from the transmitter, 5 hours from the receiver, and then all total you'll get about 15 hours with the case and everything. So let's go ahead and crack the box open and take a look at it. Like I said, I will definitely leave the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. So let's check this out. So this was sent out to me by Google, the creators kit that they sent out, and it was a lot of nice stuff in there. I've already took a look at the tripod that they sent me over. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the packaging. All right. So opening the box up, it's going to tell you everything that's in the box. So let's go ahead and see what else is in the packaging here. So we got a box here. Let's open this up and see what's included here. All right, so you got a carrying pouch. You got DJI. Feels good, man. Very nice pouch here. You do have some drawstrings here as well. And let's see what's in here. So the first thing we're pulling out is our 3.5 to 3.5 cable here. You're also going to have some paperwork. So you got a quick start guide. You have your safety guidelines and another thing there. Quick start to let you guys know what it all needs to be done. So here's one of the windshields or dead cats. Should be two of these. And a unique color. I've never seen them this color, and these look like they just snap in place. We'll definitely try those out. You get two of those. Next, you're gonna get your USB-C to USB-A cable right here. And next, well, that is it. That's all on the inside of there. Nothing else in there. And then we're gonna get our microphone kit here. Let's go ahead and get this unwrapped. All right, so here it is. Let's go ahead and put the box away. I don't think there's anything else in there. Doesn't look like it, so let's get this stored away. All right, so here's the microphone kit. You guys see on the top of it says DJI. Does have a grippy pattern. This is all plastic. You do have your charging, Type-C charging port right there. And it's compact, but not as compact as I thought it would be. And then here it is, opening it up. As you guys see, starting to flash. It tells you the percentage here on your battery. So 15 hours. Hopefully you guys can see that. Kind of bright. I don't know if my camera's going to be able to pick it up, but it says 15 hours, RX, and 15.1 hours. 15.1, 15.1. So here it is. So you got your transmitters, which are very small and tiny. You get two of those. Let's get those out. Here's the other one, and we'll go over those. Also, there's some LEDs on the front, and then this is your receiver here. You guys see it's asking me to set up the language. We'll go about setting this up and going over it. This little clip right here. This is how you're going to be able to attach this to your camera or cold shoe. That will be the receiver, and it'll slide in right here. We'll go over all of that. And then you have two other adapters. So you got your Type USB-C adapter here as well. And then you got your Lightning adapter as well right there. So that is that. So let's go over the receivers, transmitters first. All right, guys, so let's take a look at the receiver. As you guys see, this thing is so tiny, very tiny, lightweight. And you see the DJI branding on the front. You do have that grippy pattern going around here. You do have a clip where you can clip it on your shirt, your pant, you know, wherever you want to clip this. You also have this magnet. So if you don't want to use the clip, you can put the magnet behind your shirt and that will keep it in place. You see how it snaps there. That's very, very, very strong little magnet and just so tiny here. So at the top, you're going to have your 3.5 millimeter where you can run an external microphone if you want, a lavalier mic or something like that. You do have your built-in microphone. Now this will hold up to 14 hours of recording within the transmitter. And this mic, you can cover it up with the windsock here or a dead cat that just simply screws in place just like that. This is what you're going to get, and it's not going to fall off because it's screwed in place. So you can record directly. You got your Type-C to offload your recordings that you may do internally through to the device. You got your power button, and then on this side you're going to have your record button, and you got your link button. Now, from what I understand, the link button is to start and stop the recording. Say you're using your iPhone or something like that, you should be able to start and stop the recording by hitting that button. Pogo pins on the bottom for charging. And then when you turn this on, here's the power button. You get a little vibration there, and you're going to have your green light going there. And then the record button, if you press it, there it is. You get a red button there. So this should be recording me right now directly into the microphone. And maybe we'll get a chance to hear that as well. But just hold down on it. That should stop the recording. Just like that, you get a buzz. And then you hold down on your power switch. And that turns it off. So very small little transmitters. Next, let's go over the receiver and check it out. All right, guys, so we have the receiver here. As you guys see, it's got DJI on there with that textured feel in there as well. This side here, you're going to have your line in and your line out, 3.5. This is for monitoring your input there. This side, you got your power button, and you got your Type-C slot there. Now, the power button, the display, we're going to talk about this in a minute. If I wanted to lock the display, just tap the power button one time. That's going to lock it. So now I can't interact with that at all. Press it again to unlock. On the bottom, you got your charging pins. And you got this slot here where you can tap your cold shoe adapter right here. In case you wanted to use this with a DSLR camera or a mirrorless camera. You'll simply slide this in place. And now you can attach this to the cold shoe on the camera. Now this is in here pretty tight, so have to be very careful with this. And also, if you wanted to use this with an Android device, you can take your adapter, and there's an arrow, 2 arrows there that match up, and you just slide it in place. Hook it up to your tablet or smartphone. And the same thing with your Type-C Lightning adapter as well. So that is going around it. Now looking at the display, you guys can see that it is showing the volume level from both transmitters. You see they are on. There was no pairing needed. As soon as I turned this on, they were ready to go. You're also going to see the battery percentage and the strength of each one of them. You see this is in stereo mode, and you got a +5 on the volume there. So if I swipe up from the top, from the bottom, you'll see that it's connected to TX2. If I wanted to start recording, then TX2 is recording. I can turn the volume on or off, and it shows just how much battery. you can swap that over to TS1 as well. So if you swipe down from the top, and let's go back over and get to the beginning. This is in stereo mode. I can cycle through. I can change it from left to right, right to left, right there. I can change it from TX1 to TX2, left or right there. I can also change it from mono to mono. And then this is safe channel recording. You go over here, this is your receiver gain. Over here, this is going to be your headphone volume. This is going to be your transmitter settings. So in here, you can go with the low cut filter if you want. You can, your transmitter gains, your record. So I can start and stop there. Auto record, vibrations. These do vibrate, so you can set that to on or off. I kind of like the vibrating on it. And then your brightness there as well. And then in here, you're going to have your compliance information, your software version. You can factory reset. You can set your date and time, your different languages, the brightness, and your link devices. So that's something we talked about earlier as well. So that is pretty much the receiver, the controls you have on it. So let's go ahead and get this thing paired up with a smartphone and my camera, and we'll see how it sounds. Okay guys, so we're going to try this out first with the Apple iPhone 14 Pro Max. So we're going to take our little hot shoe adapter here, plug it into the receiver, just like that. There it is. It's ready to go. Take it, plug it into the lightning port. Hopefully this will work with the case on the phone. So no issues there. As you guys see, the audio level is going up and down. This camera just has problems picking up that little level there, but it's on there, guys. I can see my battery percentage, and I do have my transmitter on. So I'm going to put this on a tripod and we'll try it out. All right, guys, so we are out with the iPhone 14 Pro Max. I have the transmitter here. I started this video with the link button, so you don't even have to touch the iPhone at all. Just push the link button and it'll start recording. So we're going to walk back this way and see just how far it'll stay connected, and just see how the audio quality is out here. Now I didn't put the little wind screen on there, a dead cat. It's not windy out here, so let's go ahead and walk. All right guys, I'm walking. I'll try to give you guys an idea how far I have walked. But it's a nice day here. It's about to get a little dark here in a minute. So far, probably about 30 feet or a little bit more. And let's keep walking and see how the quality is. If it drops out, I won't know until I get back to the iPhone. So we're walking. So now I'm a good ways away. Hopefully it's still picking up the mic. I say double that. I'm probably 70 feet, maybe 80 feet away from the iPhone, and hopefully it's still picking up fairly well. I'm gonna walk back to the camera and finish the video. All right, back to the camera. Hopefully it was still audible. We're gonna check it out. Let's go. All right, guys, so I'm using my Canon M50 about an arm's length away from the camera. And this is the audio quality that you're gonna get from the DJI wireless microphone. Now on top, I have it in the cold shoe, and I can see my audio levels. I can see my transmission level and battery level as well. And I can, basically tell if it's peeking out on me, but this is the quality that you're gonna get. Now remember, if you don't want this on your lapel, you can also always clip it to your belt, run a lavalier microphone or something like this. But I think this is gonna be pretty good quality. Okay guys, so we're back in. This has been my look at the DJI wireless microphone system. It's going to come with everything that you need in the packaging. Going to have a very portable way to carry this around. You got a case that's going to recharge it, and you're going to get some great battery life out of everything in here. So you can record to each individual transmitter. You can also dual record with this as well. And to me, it has some great audio coming from it. Now, I only showed a few use case scenarios, but you can also use this with your iPads, your MacBooks, your PC, laptops, things of that nature, whatever you need to use it. Now, I didn't show that this magnetized as well, so you don't have to worry about it falling out so easy and losing it. I'll drop the link in the description if you guys want to pick this up. Will H, and I'm out.